Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's mid-morning looking forward video, kind of a morning recap. Nice little thrust to the upside today, but we opened up as a pre-market, pushed up real nicely here, guys, and now we're just continuing our push to the upside, kind of holding strong, if you were to say, to the upside here. Not only on the Russell, but all the stock index futures. We took a lot of trades this morning in the Russell. Had a really good morning this morning in the Russell here. But nonetheless, the S&P is kind of doing the exact same thing that the Russell is. We've got a nice little push up here. We've actually broken through that support that we were talking about last week. And now we're just simply coming back up and retesting. We got the 8 period falling down here and the resistance coming in at the same point here. So I'm very curious how this afternoon is going to react, whether we start to sell off this afternoon or we just kind of maintain here and hold strong going into the close today. As the markets have kind of slowed up just a little bit here, but we are coming up into that resistance area here on the S&P, all the stock index futures. I'm going to show you the Russell in a second, but we are coming up into that resistance area. So I'm curious, if we open up tomorrow and we start to see any type of sell-off, I'm going to be looking for short opportunities all the way. If we open up tomorrow and we're above resistance here, we're above this support here, which is now resistance, and we start to get some momentum to the upside, we're kind of at that bullish above, bearish below type of mentality that I talked about last week a little bit. And if we're able to push above and start to get some momentum to the upside, I'm going to look for long opportunities. And if we finally come up, retest this resistance, and we start to short off, we start to get some selling, I'm going to keep on selling. We're kind of, like I said, bullish above, bearish below right now as far as where the markets are trading right now. And it's about 9:20 here on the West Coast here. Let's go with the Russell. Same things applied. The only thing is there's a little more resistance here on the Russell, but we do have plenty of room here. As you see, we've come right up into Monday and Tuesday's, Monday and Tuesday's lows. Today, we're finding a little bit of resistance here, finding a little bit of a pause. Once again, if it starts to roll over come tomorrow, I'm going to look for short side opportunities. If we get above these lows here, they're coming right around that 24.5. We get above, I'm going to look for some opportunities long above the 24s, above that 24.5. But we do have these 41s that we talked so much about last week. Just kind of lingering right up above. So we do have a couple different areas of resistance here. Unlike the S&P, where if we get above these highs here from last week on the S&Ps, there's plenty of room to the upside. The Russell's got a little more resistance. So kind of like we've been saying over the last month or so, any type of sell-off, the Russell's probably got a better opportunity because there's less support and more resistance on the Russell than per se the S&P. So as of right now, guys, it's going into lunch here on Monday morning, and I kind of got that bullish above, bearish below mentality. So if we continue to get a rise here going into tomorrow, I could be looking at some opportunities in the S&P to the long side. If we start to sell off here, basically find resistance and continue this sell off to the downside as we got right now, I'm going to go ahead and look for more Russell opportunities to the short side. Maybe some S&Ps. We'll have to see how the market's reacting. So hope this helps, guys. Hope you like these videos. If you have any questions, always email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day.